How you doing, guys? This is Matos 3D Creations, back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be checking out how to do the Lithophane nightlight. Baby Yoda, apparently, very popular right now, so I wanted to, try it out. So today we're going to do Baby Yoda and his obsession with these dang eggs. So we're going to go ahead and head over to Lithophane Maker. This guy right here looks pretty cool, so let's go ahead and hit model. It's going to show us pretty much what it's going to look like. Alrighty, so we do not want to do a spear. We're going to go plain. Alrighty, so that's a little more like what we want. Okay, not too bad. It's going to look pretty cool, but we do want to make this a nightlight. So let's go to attributes. Make that a nightlight. Now, the cool thing is these settings are already set up, and they're pretty perfect to the most, the most standard nightlights. So you don't really have to worry about making sure if your nightlight's going to fit pretty much any nightlight that you can buy over the counter at, Walmart. Honestly, I've seen even some at the 99-cent store that work perfectly good. The biggest thing with lithophanes, though, is you need a bright bulb. You can't really use one of those cheap little bulbs because it's not bright enough to shine through this plastic. So we're going to go ahead and print this guy out. Let's see how long it's going to take. And hopefully it doesn't take too long. So let's go ahead and download this big Bob. Yep, I want that. Lithophane plus the attributes. That'd be nice. Alrighty, let's go ahead and open this guy up. Don't forget to support Litho, because these guys do an amazing job creating these models for you guys online. So let's see here. Let's open this guy up and let's see how long it's going to take to print. There we go. It's popping up. So Ultimaker Kira 4.8.0 is the newest version. Up to date, and today is, let's see here, what's today? December 6th. So by the time you guys watch this, there might be a newer version out. So don't get upset thinking I'm using an old version. You guys just might be watching this in the future when a new version is out. So let's see here. Alrighty, so not bad. We're gonna do that. We're going to print this at 0.16 millimeters, and I like to use the Go Donkey settings on this one. He has honestly some of the best settings for these lithophanes. Let's see here. Not too bad, guys. So as you can see, Baby Yoda and his little obsession with those frog eggs. Let's go ahead and print this guy out. Let's see exactly what it's going to look like when we throw some light behind it. So it looks pretty good. I like the height. If you guys want to kind of see how tall it's going to be, let's go ahead and check that out. So it's going to be about 66 millimeters tall. Not too bad. If you guys don't know what the millimeter is, the basic rule of thumb is take out, I want to say it'll be millimeters to centimeters. I think that's what, like 6 centimeters tall or something like that. So see here, it's going to take about 4.5 hours, so not too bad. Now this one, I haven't really used this website yet. Normally I use the lithophanemaker.com. They actually have a nice program where it'll curve it for you. So let's see what happens. Enjoy the video, guys, and as always, if you do like it, subscribe and please hit that like button because it definitely helps me out. Enjoy. There you go. So now what we want to do, we want to grab our nightlight bulb and nightlight. These guys, you can buy these on Amazon. Not too expensive. Sure, same thing with these guys. I'm sure you can buy them on Amazon. I actually bought this at Walmart, but you know, hey, $3 for a single bulb like this. I wanted to try it out. Now you get your Baby Yoda, your bulb. Put it right on in to the little groove right there. Just like that. There you go.